Today, remaining problems of worksheet 2, page 193. First, question number 6. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:8 and its perimeter is 110 centimeter. Find the sides of parallelogram. Here in this figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Given ABCD is a parallelogram, AB is to BC 3:8. AB is to BC 3:8 and its perimeter, length of boundary 110 centimeter. We have to find the length of each sides of parallelogram. So let AB is equal to 3x. Since ratio is 3:8, so let AB is equal to 3x. Therefore, BC is equal to 8x centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into sum of adjacent sides, 2 into AB plus BC, or it is given perimeter 110 is equal to 2 into AB 3x plus BC 8x. 11 into 2, 22x. 22x is equal to 110, or x is equal to 5. 110 by 22, 5. X is equal to 5. Therefore, AB is equal to 15 centimeter. 3 into 5, 15 centimeter. BC is equal to 8 into 5, 40 centimeter. Now, question number. Adjacent sides, 15 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Now, question number 7. Same problem just as question number 6. One side of a parallelogram is 3/4 times its adjacent sides. If the perimeter of the parallelogram is 70 centimeter, find the sides of parallelogram. Let ABCD is a parallelogram. Here, let AB is equal to x centimeter. Therefore, BC is equal to 3/4 x centimeter. It is given. One side is 3/4 the other. Let AB is equal to x centimeter. Therefore, BC is equal to 3/4 x centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into sum of adjacent sides. It is given perimeter according to question. Perimeter 70 centimeter is equal to 2 into AB x plus BC 3/4x. Taking LCM, 4x plus 3x, 7x by 4. So 70 is equal to 7x by 4 into 2, 7x by 2. Or x is equal to 20. Hence, x is equal to 20. Hence, sides AB is equal to 20 centimeter, BC is equal to 15 centimeter. Now comes to question number 8. Very important question. ABCD is a parallelogram whose diagonals intersect each other at right angle. If the length of diagonals is 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively, find the length of all sides of parallelogram. Here in this question, question number 8, ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given ABCD is a parallelogram. AB 8 centimeter, AC 8 centimeter, one diagonal. Other diagonal BD 6 centimeter. Angle AOB 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. It is given diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, and here in this question it is given diagonals intersect each other at right angle. This angle is 90 degree. It is given. Here AC is equal to 8 centimeter. BD is equal to 6 centimeter, and we know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, that means OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD, diagonals bisect each other. AC is equal to 8, so OA is equal to 8 by 2. BD is equal to 6, so OB is equal to 6 by 2. Diagonals bisect each other. So OA is equal to 4 centimeter, OB is equal to 3 centimeter, angle AOB, this angle is 90 degree, it becomes a right triangle. So from right triangle AOB, it is right triangle. From right triangle AOB, using Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, we know that a square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of a square of other two sides. This angle is 90 degrees, so AB is a hypotenuse. Side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. AB is a hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of a square of other two sides. And AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Putting value, AB square is equal to OA 4, so 4 square, plus OB 3, the 3 square, 4 square 16, plus 3 square 19. The AB is equal to the square root. AB square is equal to this, the AB is equal to the square root. 16 plus 9, 25. The square root of any number is both positive and negative. So we put here plus minus sign. Here, taking only positive sign, relating negative sign, since length can't be negative. So taking here only positive sign. The square root of 25 is 5. The AB is equal to 5. AB is equal to 5. Similarly, all sides are 5 centimeter. The sides of parallelogram are 5 centimeter. Note here, all sides are equal, so it is a rhombus. All sides are equal. AB 5, BC 5, CD 5, AD 5, all sides are equal, so it is a rhombus. Now, question number 9. In figure 11.21, one pair of adjacent sides of a parallelogram is in the ratio 3:4. If one of its angle A is a right angle, and diagonal BD is equal to 10 centimeter, find length of the sides of parallelogram. Find perimeter of parallelogram. Here, in question number 9, it is given ABCD, it is a parallelogram. ABCD, it is a parallelogram. AD is to AB, 3 is to 4. It is given. BD, diagonal BD, 10 centimeter. And angle A, it is 90 degree. Here, ratio of side AD and AB. AD is to AB, 3 is to 4. So take AD is equal to 3x, so it becomes AB is equal to 4x. So let AD is equal to 3x centimeter, therefore AB is equal to 4x centimeter. From right triangle, this angle is 90 degree. So from right triangle, in this triangle, ABD, from right triangle ABD, this angle is 90 degrees, so it is hypotenuse. BD is hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse, using Pythagoras theorem, we have a square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of a square of other two sides. Hypotenuse BD, a square of BD square is equal to sum of a square of other two sides. AB square plus AD square, AD square plus AB square. Putting value we get BD 10, the 10 square is equal to AD AD 3x, so 3x square plus AB 4x, so 4x square, or 10 square 100 is equal to 3x whole square, the 9x square, plus 4x whole square, the 16x square. 9x square plus 16x square, so 25x square is equal to 100. Or x square is equal to 100 by 25, that is 4. The x is equal to the square root of 4, that is equal to plus 2. Relating negative sign, since length can't be negative. The x is equal to 2. The AD is equal to 3x, 3 into 2, 6 centimeter. AB is equal to 4x, so 4 into 2, 8 centimeter. So question number 1, 9 का 1, length of sides of parallelogram, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now, second, perimeter of parallelogram. The perimeter is equal to 2 into sum of adjacent sides, 2 into AD plus AB. Putting value we get AD 6, AB 8. The perimeter is equal to 2 into 6 plus 8, and 28 centimeter. Second, perimeter of parallelogram 28 centimeter. Now question number 10, and it is most important question of this unit. ये क्वेश्चन बार बार पूछता है एग्जाम में, इसकी तैयारी बढ़िया से करेंगे. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, so that it is a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, it is a parallelogram. ऐसे भी पूछ सकता है. Opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, so that it is a parallelogram. या ऐसे पूछेगा. So here given ABCD is a quadrilateral. पैरेललोग्राम नहीं लिखेंगे, पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ ही करना है. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. Given in quadrilateral ABCD, AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC, AB equal to DC, AD equal to BC. To prove, क्या प्रूव करना है? ABCD is a parallelogram. To prove ABCD is a parallelogram. ऐसा प्रूफ करने के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं अपनी ओर से? तो ज्वाइन ए डायगोनल BD, B से D को ज्वाइन किया. तो जो भी हम अपनी ओर से करेंगे उसको हम डॉटेड लाइन से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. डॉटेड लाइन्स मीन्स ये हम अपनी ओर से किए कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट. इट इज कॉल्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट ऑफ प्रूफ. हम अपनी ओर से किए ज्वाइन ए डायगोनल BD, B से D को ज्वाइन किया तो इसको डॉटेड लाइन से ज्वाइन ए डायगोनल BD. अब प्रूफ करके देखते हैं. यहाँ दो ट्रायंगल बन गया. ट्रायंगल ABD, एक ट्रायंगल ये, और एक ट्रायंगल CDB, एक ट्रायंगल ये. इस दोनों ट्रायंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट कर रहे हैं. तो फ्रॉम ट्रायंगल ABD एंड ट्रायंगल CBD, ABD इस ट्रायंगल से, CDB इस ट्रायंगल से, साइड AB is equal to CD. It is given. Side AD is equal to CB. It is given. And side BD common for both triangle. इस ट्रायंगल में भी CD BD है और इस ट्रायंगल में भी BD है. तो साइड BD कॉमन फॉर बोथ ट्रायंगल, साइड BD कॉमन. तो इस ट्रायंगल का ये साइड इस ट्रायंगल के इस साइड के इक्वल, इट इज गिवन. इस ट्रायंगल का यह साइड इस ट्रायंगल के इस साइड के इक्वल, इट इज गिवन. और ये साइड तो कॉमन ही है, दोनों ट्रायंगल में है. तो एक ट्रायंगल का तीनों साइड दूसरे ट्रायंगल के तीनों साइड के अलग अलग बराबर हैं। If all three sides of a triangle are equal to all three sides of other triangle respectively, then both triangles are said to be congruent, and this condition is called S congruency condition. So by S congruency condition, triangle ABD congruent to triangle CDB, यह ट्रायंगल इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट है। तो बाइसिपिसिटी एंगल ए जब तीनों साइड इक्वल है तो अब बच गया 3 एंगल। तो एंगल ABD दिस एंगल इक्वल टू एंगल CDB दिस एंगल बाइसिपिसिटी एंगल ABD इक्वल टू एंगल CDB, ABD this angle equal to angle CDB this angle, as these two angles are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal here, so lines be parallel. Therefore AB parallel DC. Again baisipicity angle ADB this angle is equal to angle CBD this angle. These two angles are the alternate interior angle. Angle ADB equal to angle CBD. Alternate interior angles are equal. The lines be parallel. Therefore, AD parallel BC. Here, AB parallel DC, AD parallel BC. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence, ABCD is a parallelogram. Thank you. और इसका आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। थैंक यू।